Actually, way before thinking of making the paper, this plant was considered as a holy plant. The main thing in this plant, and the difference between this plant and any other, it's the stem. This is the only plant you can tell which has this entire triangular stem, which is exactly like one face of the pyramid. How to make the paper? We decide the size. We just decide just a little small one like this, for example, and then we remove the outer green skin. This greenish part is quite strong and it's very flexible in the same time. The main part we use for making the paper, just the white inner part inside. We divide this inner part into slices, just like this. It's actually so fragile, just because the slices contain lots of water, sugar, and fibers. To make the slices flexible, we have to get rid of the fibers first by using this rolling pin, just like this. So now you can see it's much flexible and stronger than before. Then we soak the slices in the water here for 2 days to reduce the sugar. We have to change the water every day. In 2 days, the color changes a little bit from white into yellowish. You see that? You can see that in the paper as well. If we left the slices longer, like 10 to 15 days, it gets those dark brownish ones. The dark papyrus, it's the same quality, by the way, but it takes a long time to make the paper. After the time in the water, we arrange the slices in horizontal and vertical positions between 2 pieces of carpet, just like this, or 2 pieces of cotton. The ancient Egyptians didn't use these materials we use now, right? So we arrange the slices this way. It has to be horizontal and vertical. Whether you weave it like this, you put them flat, it's okay, but it has to be always this way. That's what makes the paper strong enough. Until we complete the whole sheet, then we squeeze everything under this press for 6 days. This is actually the only different thing we use. The ancient Egyptians used, instead of this, heavy stones or heavy rocks. Until now, no machines, by the way. During the 6 days under the press, everything will stick together naturally. That's because of the cellulose inside the fibers that acts like a natural glue, no chemical materials at all. Then we get a piece of paper. The paper you see is quite strong, flexible, and also very smooth. Against the light, you can see easily the horizontal and vertical arrange. See that? That's what makes the paper that strong, and it has to be this way, by the way. This paper accepts any type of colors. This is the only paper could last this number of years under all conditions, didn't fade. That's why this paper, it's one of the things that could change life in ancient Egypt. You know, all the Egyptians used to write or to record everything they did. Daily history, daily life, history, messages, records, everything. So that was always carved on walls, stones, or rocks. That was so hard. After the paper, the life itself completely changed. Easier to communicate, so much easier than carrying a stone with. So that's about the paper.